Hello again, I'm Sandra. This is Land's Pronunciation, and we are studying American accent. Let's continue analyzing the words in the quiz called S2L4. The next words in the quiz were dot and dot. Yes, I said dot, so the correct answer is both of these words because of the spelling patterns or the phonics. Number 1, dot, has the spelling pattern consonant O consonant, which is soft O. And number 2, dot, has the spelling pattern or phonics AU, which is also called soft O. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, you need to study or review video S1, video S2L1, video S2L2, and video S2L3. Now let's talk about number 2. Dot. AU spelling sounds like soft O, ah. But AU pronunciation symbol sounds like ow, as in cow or out. But they look the same. The spelling and the pronunciation symbol use the same letters. This is very confusing. So you must understand not to confuse the spelling patterns or phonics with the dictionary pronunciation symbols shown in brackets. So you can see how some students might think that too, dot, sounds like doubt if they are thinking about the AU pronunciation symbol instead of the spelling. But it's not doubt, it's dot. Both words are dot in the quiz. The next words in the quiz were dot and doubt. The answer was number 1, dot, because I said dot, soft O, and I pronounced it like that because the spelling AW is soft O, ah. Number 2 is doubt. It's pronounced ow. The next words in the quiz were so and sa. The answer was 2, sa, because I said soft O, ah. Many foreign students, including Japanese and Koreans, say so when they mean sa. They don't say sa with a soft O American accent. They say so with a hard O. But so with a hard O is so, not sa. They are confused about that. If you want to speak with an American accent, you must say sa with a soft O, ah, and so is with a hard O, O. The next words in the quiz were on and own. The answer was number 2, own, because I said hard O, own. Number 1, on, has a soft O, ah. Many students have a problem with the N on the end, and we will do that sound later in another lesson. The next words in the quiz were number 1, won't, and number 2, want. The answer was number 1, won't, because won't has a hard O sound, O, won't. Want has a soft O sound, ah, want. The difference between these two words is described in detail in the Land's Pronunciation video called Want versus Won't. Please check it out. The next words in the quiz were fought and faut. The answer was number 2, faut, because I said faut with a hard O, since the spelling OA is hard O. Number 1 was fought, the spelling pattern consonant O consonant, which is one of the spelling patterns for soft O. We say fought with a soft O, ah. The last words in the quiz were mouk and moke. The answer was moke, because I said moke with a hard O, O. But there can be confusion here. Because number 1, mouk, has OU spelling. The spelling OU sounds like ow, as in cow or out. So number 1, mouk, sounds like mouk, not moke. The spelling pattern or phonics and the pronunciation symbols, shown in brackets, use the same letters, A-U, but they do not have the same sounds. Do not confuse spelling patterns and pronunciation symbols. This is confusing, and it's not your fault. The design of the pronunciation symbols is confusing. You just have to understand that there is a difference and memorize the spelling patterns or phonics.